come on, see, I say, no, come on, I had him again.
No, come on. Joke. Tonian, joke. Babes, what about Patsy? How long time I see her?
Well, Patsy have a ear salon I deal with, you know, and she get customers every now and then, so we have to leave her for that.
Okay. Makes sense. Everything alright?
Yeah, I just bubbles that time I say I have a next class coming up.
Alright. Lady, come here, man. No. You know, come to me here.
But no, I'm up mature, but don't let me up too soon. What have the shop with you say here, I have to come outside.
Okay. Alright, come. My personal hairdresser. Tony, how would a man look like he lost, but no, because my shopping more, I want to buy out everything.
Young people, is this your establishment?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is our establishment. You want anything to purchase? We have snacks, we have juice, we have a lot of things inside. You know, so just let me know.
So, you do hairdressing here as well?
No, sir. It's a shop. We sell snacks and juice.
Really? Let me see what you have in here. You're part of the establishment?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just check.
Yes, sir. Tonian, start to the customer. Yes, the man wants something. Why taking so long?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
what would you like?
Are those salted peanuts, Madeline?
Yes, they are.
I'll take one. Thank you. Ah, salted. Lovely. You know what would be excellent with this? A cold Pepsi.
Sir, the Pepsi is not that cold.
Perhaps a glass with ice?
Okay. Karim, would you get this lovely gentleman a glass of ice, please?
Glass with ice coming right up. Hey, can you let me in? Alright. I need the customers that are pulling up to
Nice young man. A little confused. And the hair is.
Sir, what are you doing here?
You still work with agents, right?
Yes, sir.
Which means I can go anywhere my agents are, right?
Yes, sir.
Speaking of that, this is for you.
Sir, am my assignment this?
Somebody else behind a Megito. You Megito.
Sir, so I'm really me, I want to do this?
Consider it your first major assignment. You still have your taser, right?
Yes, sir. Here's a glass of ice.
right up.
Go, that's nice now. Just enough ice. There's only one thing missing.
Oh no.
The Pepsi.
Read the Pepsi. That comes.
Wait.